Hello there YouTube, right, today we're going to be opening some packs. I have 800 Microsoft points, been down to the shop to buy some. Let's see if I can have one of these first. Nope, okay, right, let's buy Premium Gold Jumbo. Come on, something good. Yep, I want to buy that. Don't ask me again, please. Okay. There we are. Downloaded. Let's have a look what we've got. Continue. Come on. $83. And Roth. He ain't bad. We're back in a sec. Right, we're back. Right, that was a pretty useless pack, so let's open another one. Sorry about the slow movement. I've cut my leg. I fell down a hole. So yeah, it's been an adventurous couple of days. That's why there hasn't been any videos been uploading. Yes, so if you're wondering now, I'm better. Got 8 stitches in my leg. You'll see a picture at the end of the video. Yeah, not a nice sight, but nothing too bad. Right, here we go. Here's pack 2. Right, let's have a look what we get. Loading. Yes, we know you're loading. Oh, come on. Something good. Come on. Come on. We've got an 84. We've got Smith. Good player. Right, I'll sort this out and I'll be back in a sec. To the third pack. Premium Gold Jumbo. Probably the last Premium Jumbo. Go for one with Chara on. Oh no, not Chara, my bad. Giroud. Ooh, great, I can't afford one. Right, so let's open a Premium Gold pack. They're only 140, that's alright. So open that one. Wish me luck. It's probably going to be the last pack of the day and I'll just save the rest of the coins. Sorry about the bad video, by the way. I am videoing this on my tablet as my camera has broken. Right, let's see what we got. Loading. Hurry up and load. Here we go. Oh, what a shocking pack. Right, well that's the rest of this video. Right, I'll see you later, fans.